Welcome back to Zoom Fashion Drill Arena.
Thank you.
Thank you.
मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि आप लोगों ने आज बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. Alison also kept saying it. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
You have noticed up till now कि हमारे बीच में अभी महजबीन नहीं है.
अब एक शॉकिंग डेवलपमेंट. महजबीन ने टास्क तो पूरा कर लिया, लेकिन जब जजमेंट की घड़ी नजदीक आई तो बहाने बना के मैडम भाग खड़ी हुई. Well, Zoom Fashion Drill isn't obviously for everyone, especially not for those जिनमें daring की कमी हो.
लड़कियों का सिर्फ यही प्रॉब्लम है, उनको स्टार ट्रीटमेंट चाहिए, उनको नेल पॉलिश अपनी मर्जी का चाहिए, लिपस्टिक अपनी मर्जी की चाहिए. लेकिन मैं यही सजेशन दूंगा, जब नेक्स्ट सीजन आप लोग बनाएं तो थोड़ा 7 स्टार 8 स्टार प्रॉपर्टी बुक करना उनके लिए प्लीज. दैट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम माय साइड.
हम अब ये फैशन ड्रिल उसके बगैर कंटिन्यू करेंगे. आपका आज का चैलेंज था वॉकिंग द रनवे. It was all about poise, attitude, elegance and extreme high fashion. Let's see कि आप लोगों ने कैसे फेयर किया इस टास्क में. So can I please have Sunny and Dharmika out first?
I still feel that there is more that you can do. There is this pressure on you to perform. There's a swagger about the way you're walking, which I like. So that's very, very good.
What you did to your jacket, instead of, holding it out, you cover the inner. That was really wrong. And when you turned around, the way you posed, the angle which you posed was wrong for Ram.
So very good, both of you. Thank you. Next, can we have Puneet and Priyanka here, please? आपको लगता है कि आपका जो इम्पैक्ट नॉर्मली होता है वो यहाँ पता नहीं चल रहा है? कुछ ना कुछ मिसिंग है बस.
I thought Priyanka was very good. I can't spot as to why you don't like your combination. As far as Puneet is concerned, solo walk was fairly decent.
The next pair would have been Viren and Mehjabeen, but since we don't have Mehjabeen amongst us anymore, Viren, can you please step out? आपने आपके पार्टनर को क्या कर दिया जो भाग गई?
नहीं, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
There was no energy, but the last pose was, the legs sticking out. That doesn't work, actually. Especially in jeans, you need to be a little more macho.
Sanjeev and Vishakha.
मुझे ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं दिख रहा है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है जिसके वजह से मैं 4 दिन के बाद मेरा एक शूट है या एक शो है तो मैं उसे एक दिन डिले कर दूं because Sanjeev is not available. And I think that is what you should aim for.
I will, sir.
Vishakha, I think your biggest problem, you just look like you are doing it because somebody has asked you to do it. You're not enjoying it.
Can we have Nayang and Aarti here, please?
आपके सोलो के बारे में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, there is ease and there is confidence, there is presence in the way you are walking.
आज जब आप ये शो कर रहे थे, when you were doing the first sequence and when you turned, you stumbled. पाँव से जूता निकला कि पानी के चींटों ने कुछ प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट किया?
Actually, जो शू साइज थी वो it was bigger than my foot size, so.
आपका जूता निकल गया पाँव से?
Yeah, so it just निकल गया वहीं पे.
अगर आपका पाँव से जूता निकला, I have to say you covered it very well because you just stopped for a split second, you wore your shoe again and then you left. And finally, we have Lalit. Lalit, the solo walk was stunning. We actually liked it very much. Your face, expression, everything was great. Thank you very much. To deliberate and discuss on who we consider could be the winners of this task, we had with us Kalol Datta.
Wow.
Contestants के आने से पहले हमारे 3 mentors ने किया meetup with one of the Indian fashion circuit's edgiest, wackiest and coolest designer. और हमारे potential models of honor के आज के performance के बारे में he had a lot to say.
Him being darker compared to the other male models, it works in his favor.
Girl, if she could have checked beforehand where the camera was, because the first pose went to waste.
I think she looks better in
This than the
this
first.
than the streetwear. Yeah. I just think he's got a face which wouldn't be able to carry off streetwear. I can imagine him in a sherwani with a pugli. You know what I mean? But not this. He just looks like a regular person, right? So if he probably wants to be a character model in life, then yeah, but not a runway guy. The girl was really nice, yeah. You need to work a bit harder if you're shorter, but I think she's done a good job over here. Yeah, I mean, it's all deliberate, but he wears the garment well.
कलोल, आपको इनमें से कोई लगा जिसके बारे में you are very impressed with the person?
I liked Sunny,
Yeah.
and I liked Dharmika. I really like these guys, yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much
My pleasure.
for coming.
Thank you for having me.
We have at last come to a decision on who we considered are the best.
And the winners of this task are Sunny and Priyanka.
मेरे लिए पर्सनली धोबी घाट वाला जो टास्क था वो काफ़ी अच्छा था क्योंकि मेरे अंदर एक अलग कॉन्फिडेंस आया उस टास्क से.
If I lose this one, then I will lose it for sure. But I don't think I'm going to lose it, so.
आज के Zoom Fashion Drill के winners, Ram Scorchers Priyanka and Sunny. Adding to the drama, of course, Arisha और Mehjabeen ने किया Fashion Drill को quit, leaving us with our determined and daring thus, जो Models of Honor बनने के लिए करेंगे battle against all odds.